3、2、1，开始了，我已经开始了。
Hello guys, today we start the lab about iPhoneX, iPhoneX xsMax logic board repair tool. So this tool can test the middle of the iPhone X logic board. So now you can see it's separating the iPhone X logic board as the A10 logic board. Now you can see he has put the logic board on the machine is used to separate the upboard on iPhone X. 多少度？多少度？
多少度？180度。
The temperature to separate it is 180. Now the temperature is. Now you can see the temperature is reaching now, and we have set the temperature value before we ship to you. 我们的型号对一下，型号能不能看到？Now you can see 它还是appear off the up one. Use the knife and the tweezer. This preheater can separate the iPhone X and the iPhone X xsMax. This is xsMax 是吧？ This one is iPhone xsMax. So you can see it is also works like the iPhone X. This one has separated already, so you can see the mode when he put in. After you separating, you must take it out. It's so because if you put the logic board in too high temperature area, it may break. Okay, we take it out now. 拿出来了。Okay, you can see this tool. It can use to test the middle of the logic board, and you can do the desoliding work on it too. 这步干嘛的？
这不是在把主板上面的一些细节进行清洁。
Now he's cleaning the thing on the logic board. $100是吧？So you can see he is still clean up the logical board at the edge side. Before we start the BG rebuild, we must clean the left ones after we separate. So now you can see. Now he's hard working to clean up the logical boards. So we wait a second and we will start the BG rebuild.
用不用它这个测试架，然后演示开机的，演示吧。电源表和那个不演示的。电源表和屏幕，我去把屏幕拿过来。屏幕在这里面说。
Okay, please wait a second. We take a power supply to test the currency and check if the logic board works or not. That's okay.
测试架。
那是中层测试架是吧？Now you can say this tester is used to test the iPhoneX A10 logic board. Now he's cleaning up left thing on the logic board. So when you do the logic board repair, you must be very careful and has patience. 这个是上层的啊，哎，是上层的吗？ This one is the up board. When he separated just now, the middle one he has cleaned up already. So now he's cleaning up the up one. After that work, you also need to use dust-free cloth to clean up it again. So now you can say the white one between the up board and the middle one, it has tinge, it has tinge, and it can connect the up board to the middle board. Also, he used the flex cable. You see the flex cable assembled on the logic board. Now the tool is locked. So you can see now it must lock well, because if not it loose, so you may not test the well when you testing later. This is the flex cable for iPhoneX. This flex cable is assembled on the logic board because it's used to test the logic board. So it will be easier. You can see that it's a flex cable for the LCD. It can extend the flex. It likes when it looks like that. So when you do the LCD refurbish, so you always use the flex cable to extend from the LCD because it's easier to test before you assemble it well. So now you can say the iPhone X is open now, so let's wait a second. 这个就是会开机吗？
对呀、
那就等一下是吧？Okay, let's wait. The iPhone X will open, so wait a second. Now you can see it's okay now. So the tester can test the website. The logic board is good after separate on the 948X desolidary workstation.
OK。
Say, just use this one to separate the logic board. We begin to do the BG rebuild. And we have several ones for the logical board repair. This is for, yes, you can say this one is for iPhone 6 to iPhone 8 logical board. The temperature is very precise. Now 可以用这个做戏吗？
不用这个东西，我就先展示一下这个，它不是有人没看到吗？你就大概的可以放哪几个档吗？
Now the engineer is doing the BG rebuild. Now you can see how it works. Okay, let's go. You can see this holder for the iPhoneX logic board repair tool is also very precise. The logic board it has in the mood already, so this stainless steel board it is used to do the BG rebuild. Now you can say he's adding some solid paste on the stainless steel board. So now you can see it has filling the most solid paste on the logical board. You must be very careful when you do this job. Alright, it's okay now. Let's clean up extra thing on the board before you solid. Okay, let's go on. Let's use the hard air gun to heating, so the solid paste will dry and becomes balls. So you can also say it's very slowly to do the rework. Actually, it's not the baseband or cheap BG ball. It's very slowly compared with the job done. Okay.
然后为了让这个气球更好的坐上去。
Now, he used the flux just now to make sure the BG ball is perfect. So we will see the BG balls later. Now he's using the hot air gun to hitting it once again. You can see the temperature here is 390. You can see this. So you can see he's very careful to rework it. Okay, now you can see the result he has done. Now we have a look clearly. Now he's use the flex again, so you can see. This will make the BG balls very beautiful. After use the flux, now you can see how he used it and also how he used the hot air gun. Okay, now he has put the logic box in user mode, and we will desoliding the up board to the middle board. Now he if fixing the logic board in the machine. Okay, now we can say he starts as desoliding. Now he has he has he has done the BGA box on the motherboard, and he will solid the board to the logic board. Now he is packing the BGA box because you must make sure the BGA box is perfect before you start it again. If not, you will try again, once again, do the job before once again. You know, this servo mode is also developed by ourselves, and we designed depends on the original logic board from iPhone X, because we bought iPhone X, iPhone X Max, and original, and open the phone to get the logic board and take to the factory to open the mode. Okay, you can say he has solid wire. The temperature is 180. Now you need to wait the logic board to cool down, because the temperature is a little high after you soliding. It's a little hot, so we wait a second, because to make sure it is cooled down a little hot. You can see this too. It can also works for iPhone X Max, iPhone X Ice. Now he just show us how it works, and we will operate this next time. This one is iPhone X Max. Now you can see the position is perfect. Okay, next one. This is iPhone X Ice. So now you can see this one is iPhone XS. So very perfect. So we will show you how it works next time. But actually, the work is similar to iPhone X that we just finished. Okay. Okay, now you can say he's testing. It's the iPhone X. We just finished this ordinary work. It's okay now. You can see the work is very perfect actually. Now you can see. 结束吗? Okay, thank you. Thank you for your time. So we may do other lives of how to do iPhone logic button repair next time. Thank you.